Samsung may surprise us with quick launch of the Galaxy Watch Active 2. The Galaxy Watch Active that's on your wrist now could be superseded in double quick time, if rumors are accurate. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 has been leaked, and it's being tipped for release in the near future, despite the first Watch Active arriving in February. Here's what we know about the Galaxy Watch Active 2 so far. Samsung will not change the overall Watch Active formula for the Watch Active 2, but may be making it more versatile. A new render of the watch, believed to be an example of Samsung's official marketing campaign, shows it will not have a rotating bezel again, and will retain the curvy circular body. The watch strap is made from leather in the image, a different approach to the sporty silicone bands offered on the first. This suggests Samsung doesn't want the Watch Active 2 to stay in the gym, a shift that may also see the introduction of cellular connectivity, too. An earlier rumor discussed Samsung's intention to release an LTE version of the Watch Active 2 alongside a regular Wi-Fi model. Take a look at the render again, especially at one of the buttons on the side. The lower circular button has a red ring around it. Apple used a red dot on the Apple Watch Series 3's power button, and a red line around it on the Series 4 to differentiate the LTE model from the standard version. Samsung may have also chosen to use a similar system to tell the models apart. It's rumored Samsung may introduce two sizes, 40mm and 44mm, and in three different colors, black, gold, and silver. Otherwise, the Watch Active 2's design is not vastly different from the current Galaxy Watch Active. Specification: the Galaxy Watch Active 2 May take one of the Apple Watch Series 4's main features, an ECG monitor. This could be a companion feature to the blood pressure monitor introduced on the Galaxy Watch Active, although we hope it's more reliable. It may also require the installation of a separate app, making it less integrated than Apple's version. Rumors also mention fall detection being added as a feature. Expect the LTE model to have a larger 340 mAh battery inside to cope with the extra power requirements, compared to the 237 mAh battery rumored for the Wi-Fi watch. It's also possible Samsung will use a new version of its One UI software, One UI 1.5, but it's not known how it will differ. Thank you for watching.